Here's the bell work for April 16th. Let's see, we're going to do a couple things here. Let's move the x over to the other side. And we will say the square root of x squared plus 6 is equal to x plus 4. And then we'll square both sides. And we'll get x plus 6 is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 16. And then you go ahead and gather that quadratic and solve it in the best way you see fit. Sarah's speed was 20 miles per hour less than Donnie's. So let's see, the rate of Sarah is equal to the rate of Donnie minus 20. Okay, that makes sense, right? Sarah's speed was 20 miles per hour less than Donnie's. Thus, Donnie could travel 325 miles. So the distance of Donnie is 325 in half the time it took Sarah to travel 450 miles. Okay, so we know Donnie's distance and we know Donnie's rate. So we can, let's see the rate. No, we don't know Donnie's rate. No, we don't know. Okay, I was thinking we did, but we don't. Let's see the time of Donnie. What is the time of Donnie? Well, let's see. Half the time it took Sarah. So it's half the time of Sarah. Okay. And the distance of Sarah is 450 miles. And we already said the rate of Sarah is the rate of Donnie minus 20. And so then the time of Sarah is just, well, it'd be 2 times the time of Donnie, right? Because he took half the time that she took. Okay, so how can we find what we need to find? Well, let's see. We know that RD times TD is equal to 325. Because rate times distance, rate times time is equal to distance. And we also know that the rate of Sarah and the time of Sarah is equal to 450. Okay, but here's the thing. I can express these in other things, so I can say that the instead of saying the rate of Sarah and the time of Sarah, I can express it in terms of Donnie, and I can say the rate of Sarah, which is RD minus 20, times the time of Sarah, which is 2TD, is equal to 450. Okay, so I have 2 RD TD minus 40 TD is equal to 450. And I can also say, well, at this time, I was thinking about elimination, but you know what? I've got this thing right here, and I can plug it in right here. Okay? So if I do that, I'm down to one unknown, and you can find the speeds and times of both.